First off, what's an exchange anyway? It's basically a marketplace where people buy, sell, or trade stuff like stocks, currencies, or in our case, cryptocurrencies. Think of it as a digital market for assets, to convert assets to each other or even buy cryptocurrencies. Other thing that you can do in exchange is to bet if price of some asset like Bitcoin will go up or down, or even borrow money with something called leverage to bet on price going up or down. We have two types of exchanges. First, centralized exchange, and second one is decentralized exchanges. Centralized exchanges are the big names you've probably heard of, like Binance or Coinbase. They're run by a company, kinda like a bank. You sign up, deposit your money, and they handle everything like matching buyers and sellers, storing your assets, and keeping things secure with their own systems on their own servers. Decentralized exchanges are the game changer. A decentralized exchange, or DEX, runs on blockchain tech without any middleman company. It's peer-to-peer, and you connect your own wallet, trade directly with others using smart contracts, and your assets stay in your control the whole time. No handing over keys to anyone else. Why do people love centralized ones? For starters, they're super user-friendly, and most folks already know how to navigate them, like using an app to order food. Fees are usually low, trades happen lightning fast, and they often have built-in tools for beginners, like charts and customer support if something goes wrong. Why you should use decentralized ones? Your money can't get blocked or frozen because there's no central authority pulling strings. Regulations and taxes are often lighter since it's not tied to one country or company. Plus, centralized exchanges can sometimes change rules on a whim, hike fees, or even in worst case lose your funds in a hack or shutdown. With DEX, you avoid that risk. It's all transparent on the chain. So, why are more people ditching centralized for decentralized? It's all about trust and freedom. After big scandals like FTX collapsing and taking billions with it, folks realized they want more control. DEX volumes have skyrocketed over 100% growth in the last year alone because they're censorship-resistant, work globally without borders, and let you trade niche tokens that big exchanges won't list. If you're tired of KYC hassles or worried about privacy, this is the shift happening right now. Please smash the like button if you like the video. It helps me and my channel a lot and motivates me to keep moving. Also, subscribe for more high-quality videos and tell me how you feel about the video in comments. I would love to start a chat with some new friend. What's your experience with decentralized exchanges?